We present to your attention a unique aircraft concept with a life-saving capsule for passengers and cargo. This concept makes it possible to rescue in a plane crash. On the screen you can see the location of the rescue capsule. Detachable mounts, parachutes, and baggage. Which plane do you choose to board? The usual and inexpensive, where there is no chance of salvation? Or the proposed ticket, which is 15% more expensive, where there is a chance to survive a disaster? The survey showed that 95% of people will buy an expensive ticket. Write your answer in the comments.